Alright, this is just about mile 666 of the Arizona Trail SOBO. I could follow the trail that way, which goes up towards Mica, to get on the bike route that goes back towards Tucson. That's 7 miles that way and a little more than 7 miles that way. I could follow this unmarked road, which is not on my map, in the general direction, cross country, and cut off about 10 miles and just go straight to where I was going to camp tonight. I don't have a map for that. I don't have cell phone service. I got about a half-liter water. And who knows what the hell's up there. I heard gunshots earlier. Into the unknown. I'm guessing that's Mica. Bye, Arizona Trail. See you in a couple days. Oh, no. See you in a little bit. Okay.
There was a time where I dreamt of doing the Arizona Trail.
And just like that, I'm at Circle K, somewhere on the edge of Tucson. Took a bus from downtown Tucson to Saguaro National Park, and I'm trying to get back on the AZT. Apparently there's a storm rolling in. It's a rainstorm. Pretty obvious rainstorm. Alright, this is the road section of the bicycle route for the AZT. We are outside of the Saguaro National Forest, or National Park. I think this cuts back up towards the mountains and then connects back with the hiking trail and then comes back down to Colossal Cave. But I think I'm just going to road walk into Colossal Cave and hopefully find a place to stealth camp tonight. Look, you might be able to see that there's a solid green over here. Alright, so 65 miles to Patagonia, which is the next town. Well, technically Vail is the next town before the I-10, but that's 6.5 miles off trail and then back. I got enough food. 65 miles should be 3, maybe 4 days max to Patagonia. Let's go cross I-10 and see where this trail goes.